Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
Good day to you, Mom, sir. My name is Maria Vanessa Joy Lopez, 34 years old. I am a single mother with 4 kids, ages 14, 13, 11, and the youngest one is 7 years old.
Okay, can you please describe yourself?
I am a honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and a responsible one.
Okay, if you will get hired, who will take care of your children?
Regarding about to take care of my children, Mom and sir, the one who take care of them is my parents.
Okay, can you please tell me about your work experience?
My work experience from Qatar. I worked them for 5 years, from 2020 to 2025. I served for 4 persons, 2 adults and 2 children. Then I do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, cooking, marketing, and taking care of them.
Okay, thank you.